What if the most dangerous technology update in history didn't look dangerous at all? What if it wasn't a virus, not a cyber attack, not even a recession, but a tool update? Last week, billions vanished from IT stocks. No war, no bank collapse, no global meltdown. A company called Anthropic shipped something called AI agents, tools, MCP based tools. We have created several videos on how to build your own MCP servers, how to use other MCP servers, etc. But we never expected this to happen this soon. What Anthropic released is not chatbots, not co-pilots, workers. For over 30 years, global IT industry ran one equation. Humans do the work, companies build the hours. Anthropic just broke that equation because these tools don't assist humans anymore. They replace the work loop itself. Cloud Code and Cloud Core work are not chat interfaces, they are execution engines. They read files, they write code, they run tests, they fix their own mistakes without you touching the keyboard. This is what we call agentic shift, the move from talking to AI to delegating jobs to AI. Anthropic calls these tools plugins, but that word is misleading. Think of them as digital care packages. Instead of prompting an AI to act like a lawyer, you install the legal agent. Instead of training an AI to think like a banker, you deploy the investment banking agent. Each one arrives with domain knowledge, tools, guardrails, deterministic workflows. It's not learning a skill, it's installing a profession. Let's talk honestly. IT industry was built on time and materials building. Thousands of smart people, millions of billable hours. But when an agent completes a task in 40 seconds, you can't bill for 40 hours. That is why the market reacted instantly, not emotionally, mathematically. This doesn't mean this doesn't mean that the job market is finished. It means the job definition has changed, maybe permanently. The future professional is not a coder, not a ticket resolver, not a report generator. The future professional is an AI workflow architect, someone who knows what must be automated, where guardrails are required. Remember, last week we released multiple videos on implementing guardrail, how accountability is enforced when humans must stay in the loop. Please check out our last week's video on human in the loop, HITL. AI does the labor, you own the outcome. So if the old IT model is cracking and AI agents are doing the work faster than humans, what exactly should the employees do now? Let me be very clear. First, this is the hardest part. Stop competing with AI on execution. If your value is I write code faster, resolve tickets quicker, I generate reports efficiently, you are competing with something that never sleeps, never takes leave, and improves every week. That fight is already over. Instead, move one level up from doing tasks to designing workflows, from writing code to reviewing and validating and orchestrating AI output, from how do I do this to what is the right thing to automate and what must remain human. Here is the biggest mistake people are making. They're learning tools. ChatGPT today, Claude tomorrow, something else next month. Tools change. Systems thinking doesn't. Architects think in inputs, guardrails, failure modes, compliance, accountability, Operators chase buttons. Architects design outcomes. Let me say something, let me say something uncomfortable. Certificates will not save you. Slides will not save you. Proof will. Can you show an AI agent you designed? A workflow you automated? A real business problem solved with AI? Companies are no longer hiring potential, they are hiring demonstrated leverage. This is exactly why we built the TechieTalksAI internship, short internship of 6 weeks, not as a college style internship, not as a theory course, but as a reinvention lab. Here, you don't learn AI as a subject, you learn AI as a co-worker. You will build real AI agents, design multi-step workflows, apply guardrails and audits, learn where humans must stay in the loop, and understand why enterprises trust or reject AI systems. Developer, tester, analyst, HR, manager, the goal is simple: move from being replaced to being the one who deploys and governs AI. Let me say this clearly. This is not about becoming a 22-year-old coder again. Your experience matters more now than ever. AI has no judgment, no accountability, no intuition. That is where humans still win. In a recent experiment, researchers let AI agents interact freely. The agents invented their own language, encrypted to hide from human observers. So here is the real question. Are we training tools or onboarding a new workforce? And if AI agents now execute work, verify work, and even build other agents, are we still the managers or just the biological bootloader that started the system? This is not the end of software careers. It is the end of invisible work. And on Techie Talks AI, we don't panic, we adapt. You're serious about reinventing, not reacting. Explore the AI internship we are conducting. I am Sri, and I'll see you on the architect side of the agentic era. Stop guessing, start growing. Mentor Expert gives you direct one to one tech mentorship to solve problems and level up quickly. Book your session today.